My name komo emfanfa enra. The UEFA Champions League games I ever so enra enano. After your ball games ni na every no. We now have two teams qualify for the final of the UEFA Champions League for the 2025-2026 season. No? And you were Arsenal. Now qualify Enra Paris Saint-Germain and I qualify for the final of the Champions League. Meaning say what Champions League final no afi Budapest final no. Ibenya Arsenal our money PH able. Now Arsenal Mecca say this is going to be their second final in the Champions League. For PSG, this is going to be their third final. So we a team say Mecca said they are all trying to make history our Champions League. So Arsenal win the Champions League now. About the first time in its history our win the Champions League no. So PSG also win the final no. About the second season in a row our win the Champions League, meaning say so we Real Madrid free on one. On the only club in recent memory, one minute back-to-back Champions League titles. And almost striving for history on that Champions League final day. I have about Budapest, and I think so both teams, PSG epic treble be then club now for the Arsenal fighting for a double, and into the Arsenal likely say about match the Premier League, Arsenal. The Champions League, the same applies to PSG. Also, but magic, French League, now Assange Champions League, and now maybe even the Coupe de France, so these are all the history-making moments. These two teams are likely say on bet me make it for this season here, woman. In terms of performance, I've already said or for me to me, the best team our Champions League must be due to the way. Both games, attacking wise, PSG, defensive wise, Arsenal, because here the best attacking teams. Our Premier League anymore, as our Champions League anymore. PSG for us 44 goals. Our Champions League this season, the 44 goals no match and the most our team Biashe our Champions League anymore. Team Biashe one more fear about Champions League watch more goals at PSG. So I got the best defense. Club there for Arsenal because this season. Arsenal for conceded only 6 goals from 14 games in the Premier League. And I said, PSG for club or for almost 3+ goals. Averagely, almost in every single game. I can't say Champions League mono. So our club now friend of Arsenal. Almost arguably, they are conceding 0.5 goals per game. And the best attacking team in Champions League versus the best defensive team in the Champions League. And then Champions League final. So it is going to be very entertaining. South Champions League, My own I said the problem prediction say about and PSG budget is that a hurricane kind, the hurricane a year. What free and I'll sign Tottenham Spain. And Tottenham Spain Arsenal for one car. And there that's going to be there. He's never going to support Arsenal.
Arsenal is for now medium Arsenal will move more.
Papa and Russian PSG for anything say in games that you want them to be very sound defensively, they can.
Yeah, no sure.
Yes. That means it's not going to be an easy game. Both for Arsenal and a club for the PSG now. So bisa maybe Luis Enrique say Arsenal get our carbon who say no bisa also now dream with league so. He wants to finish the league strong. Or real league now, then you come and think about the Champions League. But he knows. So maybe I prefer to meet Atletico Madrid in the final rather than meet Arsenal. Because Arsenal football don't apart from the goalkeeping department. And to a more attack on them, wherefore they have a balanced team. And teams are very balanced, So who's show my heading? Maybe they can get motivation from last year. Because last year, but an Arsenal for the same thing club there friend of Inter Milan for but in the final they just swept Inter Milan away. But maybe Arsenal will be different from Inter Milan. So we are looking at how PSG and Arsenal will prepare for that final. But before that, they are the two teams that qualify. And therefore, Miami PSG and Arsenal for us. So they are the two teams that are going to run a free Champions League final. Throughout all this, for the point about Abasopano. SOMPA inform you me Candace Akalafi and Luis Enrique. And where the Arsenal won't come out, and make up better. And because I want them. But this time around, these two men have done a very, very good job. And in the history of PSG, maybe I bet make us say, in terms of assembling a squad, this won't be their best squad. In terms of individual play, maybe some years back, or more assemble a World 11 especially in the attack. Players, however, say I can say way, or money no ball, or match, or my blueprint, or my football no movements. Maybe we had those players because at the time we had Messi leading the front line, we had Mbappe leading the front line, we had Neymar in the front line. But just after this people free club no or for club na for the PSG adu Champions League finals no come you. But with this trident, from round 16 two times, Mbappe, Neymar, Messi, almost 2 Champions League final years. And in those 2 years, no, from round 16 million. But with desired way, when I played for Osman Dembele, when we check Kvaratskhelia, when Blani Bakola, or for do Champions League finals, and try and say, I'm at my neighbor from. And a 3 years go see. Next Akalafi come on out with some years back. After say 2022, yet say likely Neymar Beko, Messi be free up, and become Mbappe in Kwa. Even this was before Mbappe left. And I came okay and said, we don't want flashy blank anymore. Messi, Neymar, I'm afraid to no process that be. But Pierre drew a PSG for our question, Muno. You want to say we have got the flashy stuff and now the Champions League, you know. And you ever try a different model? A model like am I to me about the type of football I want that was from Hapana Yafano and Luis Enrique the point of view. Because no matter the coach, I don't tell what I'm not. If you are having a football team, look at very good players, not only a teamer, or for it makes it very difficult for you to play cohesively.
Sure.
You have to win the game.
Sure.
And then Kobisa was playing Dembele. Said Dembele na my team no. And then now brought my team now and saying, "I'm 2 years for the Champions League finals." Me, I said, "Okay," and I said, "Your coach now you want, you mirror the type of football I open." Now coach has come catch and said, "If you're not ready to run, you will stay on the bench." And found us on no year Dembele. And found us on check Kvaratskhelia or. And found us say desire do ho Badi Bakola ho Goncalo Ramos ho so we an attacker e wo team mu na one run say the coach ni si pe if you can't defend, if you can't follow instructions say the coach ni pa you will drop to the bench. And that sort of defensive discipline no and ama omo PSG omo do baby omo do me ko apa say ka quality a some placement say omo hai or for and count me for obi adoto Mbappe, Neymar, Messi won, but no, Champions League, you know, around 16 years. But these guys are the Champions League finals in 2 different continuous years. The Nepal idea, they are Brighton and Mbappe. Last time, I know, say they are Champions League, you know, he will win it. But if someone told me, say, buy a Ballon d'Or, now fear, what say, yes, have Ballon d'Or be more. They are saying about Dembele DBM. Said Dembele might win a second year successive Ballon d'Ors. But your body, your bomb Mbappe didn't from Mbappe didn't room. But some few years back, so they catch out some Mbappe. Dembele budget Ballon d'Or Jana and can't do to me. What I say, oh, I said, man, okay. But now, Papa, in terms of individual levels, Dembele ever ahead of Mbappe. Individual levels. Okay, maybe I can say Mbappe or World Cup. Because the France for that World Cup, you was part of it. What about home day? But for individual levels, no, the achievements now branch here for Dembele higher. Maybe a football, why not football no crano? And no matter what I say. And then near mana Mbappe won any change Dembele. Apart from say, maybe he's very good on goal scoring. Maybe a numbers. Mbappe ahead. Goals are washing. But at individual levels, dribbles now, they both dribble. In terms of goal scoring, now Dembele is scoring goals too. And he is leading his team to win successful Champions League titles. And Mbappe, wait, me a cardiac for the home. About one of the greatest stories in football. Said Dembele will win 2 Ballon d'Ors. Mbappe in GB. Very great story. Very strange story. A story as that. But to bear the day, that is how, guys, how you and another minute. The coach with me convince Mbappe. Say on board for the team, no. That team, Mbappe might actually win Ballon d'Ors. So when I didn't say obey individualism, I brought to the team. Because I've always said, I don't know, okay, I guess I am too skinny for. But therefore, the moment Mbappe, Dembele yana want, I said maybe I might be a very good player. But saying na here collective, if we play collectively, people bet you didn't hear and your more. And if Mbappe is able to accept that reality, so Otia Sema man for a boy a very good footballer. Nipa ni di peja ayo no Mbappe. The moment he understands that, that is when you have a serious conversation about Mbappe winning the Ballon d'Or. Because what I'm seeing there, for Dembele might actually win it again. On France national team now. He'll go to the World Cup. So Oje Champions League. Now Sanjay Trap will be one. You go to the World Cup. Everywhere you move away from the World Cup. Somebody from round 16, somebody from quarter final, somebody from final, somebody. Oja Dembele kaho. Odu final uni na. So if you have any idea of winning the Champions League and I win them the Ballon d'Or, Dembele will be part. And individual levels at his club. Wabu won't want my anyama. Mbappe has made a different card.
But Abanasa.
Yes. Or for you, I'm getting Mangasa. You see, I'm not getting and they 1-1. And it is our aggregate now. I got 6-5. And appear for that qualifier couple final. We all agreed to over 2 legs. No, it was entertaining. The only thing they buy is say goals. Na no ye nya our first leg in the no. Ye nya our second leg in them. And actually, now me catch na me this uncle one up. Enra the chances that they created, the shot that they played Enra no. Therefore, it was actually better than the ones about with the first leg. Enra game no, there was not criticality. Our games name because the numbers are clear. So our game now, your boy now, and no 1-1. Or for a shot, Miami bought 18 shots, PSG able 15 shots. Game now a 5-4 no. PSG bought 12 shots, Bayern about 10 shots. And the other game no, they actually played more shots than they did our first leg. The first leg 9 goals, never second leg 2 goals. Let's make a choice. Say, 2 coaches now at the bench, Russell and Rano. They have to understand and I experience and not a simple experience for Luis Enrique Diabo, Mr. Company. Because they have to understand. Say, there are moments in every game. You choose the type of moments you want in those games. Mr. Company, when choose the moments right, or I like this and me go home, so I have to open up the game and play as I want. Because most like me away team they say, Sauko first leg aware, advantage, second leg will fee. But no, Luis Enrique had different ideas. Or when he said that if the first leg me be my game here, but says I should have a stable defense in the second leg. And then I said, Arsenal get very difficult because Luis Enrique try and say he could have a disciplined defense if he wants to.
Or the experience in every.
Yes, experience. It's as simple as that. Experience. Because I know the whole game, no. They pressed very well. He had details in the game, and I should go to that details. But they were pressing very well, unlike the first leg now, boy. And it is just a little experience here. Company will learn as these things, as Oshia these managers, Oshia, Carlo Ancelotti, Oshia, Luis Enrique, Oshia, the experienced ones, no. He will learn from these stuff. But these are small things that it make you a very, very good manager. Over both legs, or winning possession in both legs now. The first leg of winning possession, I can't say a pack the prince, and another party it could do 60 something, and he possessed the game. But therefore, there are two types of control. You control without the ball and control with the ball. In the first leg, PSG was trying to say, control game with the ball. One to me. But I will say, why would I waste time to control the game with the ball against Bayern Munich in our own backyard? So I will control the game without the ball. I will defend well. I will defend in zones. But ultimately hurt me. Those are where I'll go or live for you. My head there. I would like to control those areas. And the lineups never, we also say, Obo Common Lima, Obo Stanisic, our side, I can say on the fullback rows. But Babiaka on the field, the BR here is the same lineup. The only change I buy is on my Stanisic, I start left back. Babiaka BR, the same player. Oko PSG, Fabian Ruiz as here. And I can say, my brother friend Zaria Miyakobo too, because now they say only right back. So Zaria me elbow right back, and Fabian Ruiz elbow on him. But therefore, the first detail I mean here, on goal kicks. Yeah, but no, say PSG for any goal kicker and on normal time, or for any PSG, they want to build from the back. On your ball with a chair, no one shall say possible in the but Louis and Lucas and Derby. Give me a boy here. The first thing is about Bayern Munich for pressing very high. Because in the first leg, Bayern Munich for club were pressing in a 4-2-4. Pressing very well. Pressing aggressively. And the young boy here pressing, I say, yes, I build up. No magic. Force turnover. No, I'm saying. And to get there, second leg, not yet. Men building fetch it. And the goalkeeper of them, I feel so far off. No, on your ball now, Bobo is him. And in the first detail, and I say, you have to kick the ball long from goal kick. But there was one particular place now but the ball every single time, and that is detail. That is understanding the game. The goalkeeper will see my up and come will be to left, will be to right. Is the goalkeeper's trainers now? Mostly I am Monko wings. About 2 and 3 Moja Street, and that is what mostly goalkeepers trainers catch some goalkeepers. But for someone for there, wherefore, country man one instruction per Dabiano, Bopono to Benkum once. Benkum every single time. So, Omunamona, no build up, straight, I come Benkum. And for do you know the reason why? Yeah, but goal kicker. Goalkeeper don't say what person you almost are, or when you're Mumpianco say, and I'm Mumpianco say. Into whether he shows on the left side, no, then when you're Piaco left, or show right side, more Piaco right. Papa, which side of PSG? Bayern Munich club no, and I get very dangerous part. Which side? Baby, become Bayern Munich club no. Is it Olise's side and Louisia's side?
Diaz, yeah, you can crowd. Oh, na you lose only 2-1.
Make up. He says, "Oh, we are Bayern Munich team now. Olise's side, ho, and Louisia's side. If a pan or where's a way dangerous part.
Oh, me when you say Olise only.
Very good.
Olise only.
Eti, papa ka tell say that be born na go born. But be a how dangerous. I don't Bayern Munich. Boy to no mo a ehwe I will be Olise one.
That's the right side.
Na near PSG for the left.
I na make
Bayern right side.
Yeah.
Yes. And eti, oka tell say, you go kick now. But boy every time they call Olise side up. The reason is simple. Maybe you understand the details. But I'm I did when I mentioned that here. Wherefore, I'm putting in. Say, but that goal kick, no, I didn't bother about this side. Meaning, say, the whole team now will come to this side.
Okay.
Meaning, say, space I have a bit close. I need at least a pair, I am maximize space. Up a 1v1, up a 2v1, yes. And the big game, no one. Oh, let me match a because only 1v1 about you. And the coach will say, to avoid only getting 1v1s with Nuno Mendes, and Jao never seen it. Because go kick now, they'll all push to the side.
They put the side that a bit more in your space.
Yes.
Indeed,
Manamra say, and one no, not players in our business, and it is about maybe Olise one more. You have players doubling up on Olise.
On your time to 10.
On your time to 10. time to move around. And the goal kick never a straight to walk Luis Enrique Abaso. That is a mark of a good coach.
Okay.
I didn't hear the boss. They say Kalafi said, "Oh, the best." It will be saying, yes, actually now there is no better coach. It will be saying China.
Certainly.
He's the best.
He's the best.
The other thing, however, I acquired from Usman Dembele. Now it is quite important. Say you understand. Say whether we accept it or not, he's the best player in the world. Opa Jitum, Opa Man Jintum, he's a Ballon d'Or winner. But for go now, Moshe and wrong. Now say people blame me. I can't say PSG for or more wing backs no. Oh, my mistake. And a Barcelona one market Osman Dembele. For a movement. I just want to do the Miriam Megasi. And my ball got at him. The other end. Wherefore, penalty no. There are so many controversies about a penalty. And Bayern Munich for a penalty. And a referee Nanje. The pictures were so many. Omun is a robbery. They are being robbed. What is the incident? Alpha Group they say there is not a handball
unless
the ball goes directly into the opponent's goal or the player scores immediately afterwards. And to be fair, they say my teammate our ball man ball mensa ball mensa na top from e to na mabo ahye referee say a foul. But say a me box him and a outside baby na my teammate ne ball na e ball mensa irrespective of position no ball enya foul. The only argument are PSG for no Bayern Munich for no one say proximity. Baby a ball
yes own body
enya foul.
And I want to
one thing I think necessary for apart we head a Champions League GB company no whatever happens he's going to win a Champions League. The type of football our Bayern Munich for no Bayern Munich are going to win a Champions League. But however a dribble there are some ways you need to move from. The situation say Barcelona. You have to know when to defend and when to attack. When to choose your moment and when to stay and defend your moment. Obeji, but he experience no here. Yes, we are talking about Champions League finalist. He's going to win it. He has an all-round team. So Eddie Obeji, he has to understand. Yes, he has to understand. Say, I will do a beer. Heartbreaks, never, it makes you stronger. But all in all,
Luis Enrique Crachu Mia or Champions League. I guess the 4 degrees now.
Yeah, so for remember PSG for Nabaso. We are waiting for them in the final. They say Arsenal get very interesting as the 2 legs versus the Bayern Munich was. But PSG back-to-back finalists. Yeah, if they will be able to make history, we're club knife in PSG.